Hello everyone, in today's episode, we're diving into the world of beef and its nutritional benefits. We'll be taking a close look at why beef, a powerhouse of essential nutrients, should be considered in our daily diet. We'll explore the nutritional profile of beef, from protein to vitamins and minerals, and even healthy fats. We'll understand why these nutrients are pivotal for our overall health and well-being. Also, we'll underline the role of beef as a complete protein source, providing all essential amino acids our bodies require. Then we'll delve into the health benefits of beef, from muscle repair and immune function to energy production and skin health. We'll also address considerations when choosing and consuming beef, and provide practical tips for incorporating it into a balanced diet. So buckle up as we embark on this journey to discover the benefits of incorporating beef into your diet. To kick things off, let's delve into the nutritional profile of beef. Beef is not just a tasty addition to your meals, it's also packed full of nutrients. One of the most noteworthy is protein. Beef is a high-quality protein source, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs but can't produce on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks of your body, helping to repair tissues, build muscles, and support a healthy immune system. Beyond protein, beef is a rich source of vitamins, particularly vitamin B12 and niacin. Vitamin B12 is crucial for brain function and creating red blood cells, while niacin, or vitamin B3, aids in converting food into energy and is important for a healthy nervous system. In terms of minerals, beef shines as a source of both iron and zinc. Iron is key for oxygen transport in your body and plays a significant role in energy production. Zinc, on the other hand, is vital for immune support, wound healing, and skin health. Both of these minerals are more easily absorbed from beef than from plant sources, making beef an excellent choice to help meet your mineral needs. Let's not forget the healthy fats. While it's true that beef contains saturated fat, it also boasts a good amount of monounsaturated fat, the same heart-healthy fat found in olive oil. Plus, certain types of beef, like grass-fed varieties, can be a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and benefits for heart health. And one more thing worth mentioning: beef is a source of conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, a type of fat that's been linked to health benefits like improved body composition and cancer prevention. Again, you'll find more CLA in grass-fed beef compared to grain-fed varieties. When you consider all these nutrients, it's easy to see why beef deserves a spot in your diet. Each bite delivers a mix of essential nutrients that support your overall health and well-being. Clearly, beef is a powerhouse of nutrients that play significant roles in maintaining our health. Now that we understand the nutritional profile of beef, let's explore its health benefits. The protein found in beef plays a critical role in our bodies. It aids in muscle repair, bolsters our immune function, and provides a sense of fullness or satiety after meals. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight or support an active lifestyle. Iron, another nutrient abundantly found in beef, is essential for oxygen transport and energy production. This is especially important for those at risk of iron deficiency, such as pregnant women and athletes. Consuming beef can help to prevent iron deficiency anemia, a condition that can lead to fatigue, weakness, and decreased immunity. Now let's talk about zinc. This mineral, plentiful in beef, is crucial for our immune system, wound healing, and maintaining healthy skin. It's also necessary for our sense of taste and smell. So, a zinc-rich diet, which can include beef, can potentially enhance your overall sensory experience of food. Beef, particularly grass-fed varieties, also contains omega-3 fatty acids. Although these fats are more commonly associated with fish, they are found in smaller amounts in grass-fed beef. These fatty acids are known for their potential heart health benefits and their role in supporting brain health. Conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA for short, is another type of healthy fat found in beef. Emerging research suggests that CLA might have various health benefits, from reducing body fat to improving immune function. However, more research is needed to fully understand these potential benefits. Finally, it's worth mentioning that beef is a source of vitamin B12, a nutrient that supports brain health and helps keep our body's nerve and blood cells healthy. It's especially important for those following a vegetarian or vegan diet to find alternative sources of this essential vitamin, as it's found predominantly in animal products. The health benefits of beef are numerous and can contribute significantly to our well-being. So, next time you're planning your meals, consider the potential health benefits that beef can bring to your table. However, as with everything, moderation is key. Beef can be a valuable part of a balanced diet. contributing to overall health and wellness. While beef has many benefits, there are a few considerations to keep in mind when choosing and consuming it. Selecting lean cuts of beef is one way to enjoy the nutritional benefits while reducing saturated fat intake. Lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin offer a high protein punch without excessive fat. And remember, not all fat is bad. Beef also contains mono and saturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil and avocados. Trimming visible fat and choosing healthier cooking methods can further minimize added fats and calories. Grilling, broiling, and roasting are all great ways to prepare beef, allowing excess fat to drip away. And when cooking ground beef, consider draining and rinsing it to remove additional fat. However, it's not just about the cut or the cooking method. Processed meats such as sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats often have higher sodium content and may contain additives. While these can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, it's important to do so in moderation and balance it with other sources of lean protein. And then there's the bigger picture. The environmental and ethical considerations associated with beef production are important factors for many people. The beef industry contributes to greenhouse gas emissions and requires significant resources. Choosing grass-fed, organic, or locally sourced beef can help to mitigate some of these impacts, but it's always a good idea to do your own research and make decisions that align with your values. Finally, don't forget about portion size. A serving of meat is typically about the size of a deck of cards or the palm of your hand. This helps to keep calorie intake in check while still providing ample protein. It's crucial to make informed choices when it comes to selecting and preparing beef. Beef can certainly be a part of a healthy and balanced diet, but like with any food, it's all about balance, moderation, and making choices that work for you. So how can we incorporate beef into a balanced diet? Now that's a question we've all asked ourselves at some point. Well, let's break it down. The first thing to remember is the importance of variety in our diet. While beef is a powerhouse of nutrients, it's just one of the many protein sources available. Think of your diet as a symphony, where every instrument, or in this case, every food group, contributes to the overall harmony. It's the diversity of these food groups that create a balanced diet, and beef plays its part by providing high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. Now, onto some practical tips for incorporating beef into your meals. It all starts with portion control. A typical serving size for beef is about the size of a deck of cards or your palm. This is a good rule of thumb to prevent overconsumption. Also, planning your meals ahead of time can ensure you're incorporating beef in a balanced way. Beef can be used in a plethora of dishes, from stir-fries and salads to hearty stews and burgers. The possibilities are endless. But there's more to a balanced meal than just beef. Pairing beef with nutrient-rich foods can elevate your meal to the next level. Think of vibrant vegetables, colorful fruits, and wholesome grains. These companions not only enhance the taste of your meal, but also boost its nutritional profile. For instance, pairing beef with iron-rich leafy greens can aid in iron absorption, while coupling it with vitamin C-rich foods can support immune function. Finally, it's essential to remember that everyone's dietary needs and health goals are unique. Whether you're a bodybuilder needing high protein intake or someone managing a health condition requiring a specific diet, the way you incorporate beef into your diet may vary. It's always a good idea to consult a dietitian or a health professional to tailor your diet to your needs. Incorporating beef into your diet can be a great way to boost your nutrient intake, but it's always important to consider your own dietary needs and health goals. So go ahead, enjoy that juicy steak or hearty beef stew, but remember, balance is key. In conclusion, beef is a nutritious food choice that offers a range of health benefits. It is rich in essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals that are crucial for our overall health and well-being. Not only does it serve as a complete protein source, providing all essential amino acids required by the body, but it also plays a key role in muscle repair, immune function, and satiety. The iron found in beef is critical for oxygen transport and energy production, while its zinc content supports immune function, wound healing, and skin health. However, it's important to choose lean cuts of beef to minimize saturated fat intake and to opt for healthier cooking methods. Remember, moderation and balance are key. When incorporating beef into your meals, pair it with nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains for a balanced meal. And always consider your individual dietary needs and health goals. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you now have a better understanding of how beef can contribute to a balanced, nutritious diet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Stay healthy.